Let me ask you something. Why do some people stay calm under pressure while others completely fall apart? Why do some push through pain, failure, and setbacks, while others give up at the first obstacle? It's not luck. It's not talent. It's mental strength, and most people never build it. But that changes today, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to build an unbreakable mind. Not just motivation, but real, lasting mental toughness, the kind that helps you face anything life throws your way. If you're ready for that, let's get into it. Lesson 1. The mental shift that transforms your life. Here's the first truth you need to hear. Life isn't supposed to be easy. That doesn't mean you're doing it wrong. It means you're human. Everyone struggles. Everyone falls. But mentally strong people, they get back up. You see, your mind is like a muscle, and just like a muscle, it only gets stronger through resistance. If you avoid challenges, if you hide from discomfort, if you always take the easy path, your mind stays weak, and when real life hits, you break. But here's the twist. Every challenge is a training session. Every setback is a chance to build strength. You stop seeing problems as punishment and start seeing them as preparation. That's the moment your mindset becomes unbreakable. Lesson 2. Everyday habits for a stronger mindset. Now let's talk about what to actually do daily. Because mental strength isn't built in one big moment. It's built through small wins stacked over time. Here are 4 habits that will rewire your mind. Cold showers. Start your day by doing something hard. It sets the tone. It's not about the water, it's about the discipline. Exercise. Your body and mind are connected. When your body gets stronger, your confidence, focus, and resilience grow with it. Meditation or stillness. Even 5 to 10 minutes of silence a day trains your ability to focus under stress and control your emotions. Do something hard, on purpose. Could be as small as waking up without snoozing your alarm. Could be pushing one more rep. Could be speaking up when it's uncomfortable. The key is this: do hard things by choice, and life's hard things won't shake you. Lesson 3. 3 habits you need to break. Mental strength isn't just about what you do. It's also about what you stop doing. Here are 3 things to cut out of your life starting now. Stop complaining. Every second you spend complaining is a second you could spend changing. Fix it or let it go. Don't stay stuck in the middle. Stop seeking comfort. Growth never happens inside your comfort zone. Whether it's cold showers, hard conversations, or waking up early, lean into discomfort. That's where progress lives. Stop making excuses. Excuses sound good, but they keep you small. The truth? You always have a choice. Always. Lesson 4. A real story of mental transformation. Let me tell you about someone you definitely know, Arnold Schwarzenegger. But forget the fame, the muscles, and the movies for a second. This guy came from a tiny village in Austria. No money, no connections, no fancy gym, just a dream, and the discipline to chase it. At 15, he picked up a weight for the first time. At 21, he left everything behind and moved to America, barely speaking English, because he refused to settle for an average life. He trained like a man possessed. Early mornings, brutal workouts, no shortcuts. He wasn't the most gifted, he wasn't the biggest, but he outworked everyone, and he didn't always feel like it. He didn't always enjoy it, but he showed up every single day, because that's what mental strength looks like, doing the work even when motivation disappears. Fast forward, he became a 7-time Mr. Olympia, a Hollywood legend, and even the governor of California. Now, you don't need to be Arnold. You don't need to be famous or stand on a stage. But if a kid from a small town with nothing but a dream could transform his entire life, what's stopping you from starting where you are? Lesson 5. Mastering your emotions in high-stress situations. Mentally strong people don't let emotions control them. They manage emotions. Here's how. Pause before you react. That's it. When you feel triggered, overwhelmed, angry, stop. Take a deep breath. Count to 3. In that moment, you create space. And in that space, you get your power back. Emotions are like waves. You can't stop them, but you can decide how to ride them. Remember, strong people don't avoid emotions. They control how they respond to it. Lesson 6. Redefine failure. Most people are terrified of failure, but the truth is, Failure is the price of growth. Every time you fail, you get a little smarter, a little tougher, a little more prepared for what's next. Look at any champion, athletes, entrepreneurs, artists. They've failed more times than most people have even tried. Failure only becomes permanent if you quit. So next time you fall, don't beat yourself up. Learn, adjust, keep going. Lesson 7. Discipline over motivation. Let's end with a hard truth. Motivation is a lie. It feels good. It gets you started, but it never lasts. There will be days when you feel lazy, tired, discouraged, and if you only act when you feel like it, you'll never build anything real. What lasts? Discipline. Discipline is doing the thing even when you don't want to. Getting up early, showing up to the gym, saying no to distractions. It's not glamorous, but it's powerful. And here's the kicker. Every time you choose discipline over comfort, you build trust in yourself. And that's where true confidence comes from. Final words. You don't need to become a superhero overnight. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Start showing up. Start doing the hard things. Start being the kind of person you promised yourself you'd become. Because your future self, they're not built by luck. They're built by your choices, starting now. So what's it going to be? Go back to comfort and stay the same? Or step up and become unbreakable? The choice is yours. If you like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And if you're ready for more, subscribe. We're just getting started. Stay strong. Keep pushing. I'll see you in the next one.